Now, what I want to talk to you guys about in this video is something that we have all come across or we have all faced at some point, and that is that when we're practicing at home, and let's say you guys are practicing past papers at home, so everything's under control, it's smooth sailing. But when it comes to performing in the exam, where it really counts, where it really matters, we have a tendency to screw up, okay, because we're unable to handle the pressure, okay. And what you really need to learn is how to cope up with that pressure that you're going to be facing when you're sitting in the exam hall, okay. And chances are, people who are preparing for the mini series, the July-August series, this may be your first time giving CIE officially, because you probably got expected grades last year, so you probably haven't had a taste of what it's like. So a couple of things you guys need to take into consideration is that when you're practicing at home, you're sort of in your comfort zone. You're maybe working while you're lying in your bed and listening to music. Now that's something that helps, okay, there's no denying that. I'd be an idiot to say it doesn't help. Of course it helps, but what you guys should do is every once in a while you guys should try and replicate that exam environment. And let's say you're solving yearly past papers, okay, or that's your best form of practice, okay. So when you're solving a yearly past paper, try and every now and then try and replicate the exam environment, so that you kind of get used to what it's like to perform under pressure, okay. Now obviously you can't replicate it exactly, but here's what I mean. Find a nice and quiet corner. And another thing that you should do is you should time yourself. Again, be very strict with yourself. If you really have that problem and you're trying to overcome it, this is the best thing you can do, okay. And I'm saying this from prior experience. Is something that I've recommended my students, and it seems to have worked so far. So what you should do is find a nice and quiet corner, time yourself, be very strict, okay. If let's say you're talking about math paper 2, that's what my subject is, so I'm going to be talking about that. So you get 2.5 hours for it, okay. So be very strict on yourself. Don't take more than 2.5 hours. Do not move unless you haven't completed that paper, okay. So just imagine that you're sitting in the actual exam hall, okay. And don't try and take breaks in between, okay. Don't get distracted in between. Try and just be completely cut off from the world for 2.5 hours, or for whatever subject it is that you're practicing for. And then when you're done, do the formalities, grade yourself, and whatever it is. So what this will do is this will basically try and make you more and more familiar with what state you're going to be in when you're sitting in the exam. Because let's face it, you're going to be there with a lot of people that you're not familiar with, okay. It's not going to be anything like exams in school, because you see a lot of familiar faces. Your friends are there, the teachers are all the teachers who are there, who are invigilating, you know them very well. So it's still not the same as performing, or it's not the same as giving a CAIE, okay. So this is something that you guys should do. Now that doesn't mean that you completely change your way of practice. What I'm saying is that you should do this every once in a while, okay, so that the sooner you get used to it, the better it is. I thought of making this video towards the very end, but I think the sooner I put it out there, the better it is for you guys, so that you can alter your way of practicing and get used to the exam environment, and so that you don't have a lot of trouble to perform under pressure. So yeah, that's something I wanted to share with you guys, and that's it. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.